Can you say, Glama, I love you?
Mama, fire.
Thank you! Hey everyone, Glama here and
Petrova.
yeah, so we just got done doing Makeup Monday. We put our makeup on for you guys. How do we look?
We look like twins.
So we put our makeup on because we're going to show you how to make your own hand soap. Yeah, so we are going to do that, and all that we're going to need is hot boiling water, a bar of soap, some scented, if you want. This is optional. You actually don't need this if you don't want, but I've got some drops of peppermint oil to make it smell good, and glycerin. And I've just got the generic Equate kind, so we're only going to need a couple teaspoons of this, a couple tablespoons of soap, shredded soap, hot water, and it's going to be enough to make a small container. If you want to make more than this, then double or triple or quadruple the recipe, and you can make as much as you want. So okay, I am going to take you over to the stove to show you that the water is boiling, okay? I'll be over here, Petrova.
Okay.
All right, so we've got some water boiling already, so I'm gonna turn that off. And actually I'm gonna turn it low because we still have to shred the soap.
Yeah.
So I'm just using regular white dial soap, and I'm gonna get Petrova her own bar. I almost said finesse. I'm gonna get Petrova her own bar. See, it's just dial soap.
And I picked this shredder.
Hold on a second. And I'm gonna get myself one. And then all you're gonna do, babe, is hold it like this, and you're just gonna go down and you're gonna shred some soap. See? See? So we're just gonna shred some soap. There you go. Do that. Hold this with one hand and that one with the other, and just shred it. Yeah, and that's it. I guess I don't need to open up another bar because we only need, I believe, 2 tablespoons of that, and this is a tablespoon, so yeah. Alright, so that's what it's looking like. Lift it up for a second. Yep, so there we go. We're just doing soap. We're just shredding soap. Alright, keep going.
It looks like shredded cheese.
So now she figured out a way to make it go even faster. So let's show them how much we have. We have about 1 tablespoon worth right there. Let's scoot this over and get about a... Alright guys, so we had some technical difficulties. My camera wouldn't record anymore because my SD card was too full. So let me show you what Petrova did while we were fixing the camera. Look at all that soap she shredded. Woo!
Yep.
And we're only... Smells good, huh?
Guys, you have to smell this, but you're on camera. I'm really sorry about this.
Alright, so we're going to get a clear bowl. After she starts, I'll pick up the camera so you can see what she's doing. Here, go ahead and get in the center, baby, because you're going to be the one doing almost everything. Okay. And we're going to get this over here, and you're going to get 2. When I tell you to get 2 of them, get like that, full like that, okay? But not yet. Okay. So I've got the water boiling, and I boiled 16, according to the recipe that I did, I used 16.9 ounces of hot water. So let's put that in here. It's really, really hot.
Yep.
Don't touch the water.
I'm just going to
okay, now I'm going to grab the camera so that you can see Petrova scooping up 2 heapfuls, 2 tablespoons of soap, and put it in there.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm doing it right now.
One. Okay, 1 more like that.
Careful. There.
Good job. Okay, now I'm going to pause this. Okay, now she's going to squeeze 2 teaspoons of glycerin into there. Squeeze, squeeze. Is it hard to squeeze?
No.
Put it over here so that if it spills, it doesn't go to waste. Yeah. No more, all the way till it's full. More, more, more. Okay, there's one. Put that in there. Now get one more. We can do 1 or 2 of those. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2. Okay, let's squeeze. Okay, 2. Good job, Petrova.
Thanks.
All right, now stir it up with that. See if you can stir it. Slowly so it doesn't spill. I gotta make all that soap that we shredded, we gotta make it melt. And what I'm going to do is we are going to put a couple drops of peppermint scent so that it smells good.
And I'm making a potion. Do you want some of my potion?
Okay, let it keep melting. And now I'm going to take some of this peppermint.
You can put it in the spoon.
It's just peppermint oil, and I'm just going to put a couple drops. The recipe that I'm following didn't really say to do this, but I kind of want the soap to smell good. So let me see if I can, wait, I don't even know if it's gonna come out, hold on. It smells so good, doesn't it? It smells like Wrigley's, is it coming out? Oh yeah,
yes.
There's a couple, okay. All right, go ahead and put that in there.
I did it.
And then we're just going to keep stirring it till all that melts.
Do you want some of my potion?
I'll go ahead and pause this now because we're just going to keep stirring till it melts, okay? Okay guys, so it's all pretty much melted. She stirred it, stirred it, stirred it. You did a great job, Petrova, yay!
Thank you.
And so now what we have to do, the only reason I used a glass bowl is because the water was super hot. I didn't want it to melt the Tupperware. But we need to pour this into here and cover it for like 3 hours in the fridge. So I'm gonna do this part so Petrova doesn't burn herself. Trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time.
I know it's hard.
Yeah. Okay, so we did that.
Yeah, I was like, be careful. Otherwise you grab the thingy to grab stuff hard right away.
Yeah, so now we're just gonna cover this. Okay, so I had to turn the camera off because I couldn't do this and hold the camera. So this is what we're gonna put in the fridge for like 3 to 4 hours. So because it's already 8 o'clock tonight, we'll come back tomorrow. She's in her pajamas because, like I said, we had technical difficulties with the camera. So she went and took a bath. I fixed the camera. And now we're going to put this in the fridge. So I hope my fridge is clean because I'm taking you in there. Do you want to grab it and bring it in the fridge?
Of course.
Okay, come on.
Be careful.
Where should we put it? Put it right here next to the milk, I think.
To the milk.
Yeah, so we're gonna leave it in there probably longer than 3 to 4 hours because either that or if she's still awake at 11 o'clock, then we can pour it into the soap container.
Yeah, and guess what, guys? I be late when it's like I'm actually awake for like my mom like tells me to bed and say I'm not sleepy because I'm just 100% ready.
There's your teddy bear. Okay, so that's all we pretty much have to do now. We are going to wait 3 to 4 hours. If she's awake at 11 o'clock, then we will film the rest of it, pouring it into the container. We saved this container, and it just so happens that we used Dial bar soaps, and this was Dial hand wash. So we're gonna put it in here using this right here.
And that bottle is my mom's, and her name and her actual name is Finesse Strasberg.
And you are?
Petrova Strasberg.
Okay guys, so that was our little DIY for now, and we will finish it later. Bye. Bye. Oh my gosh guys, it's only been 1 hour and I checked the soap and it's ready. Open it up, Petrova. Petrova hasn't looked at it yet.
Oh!
Look guys, look at the consistency. This is what we're looking for, see? Whoa, so we're gonna stir it up. Go ahead and stir it up and we're gonna pour it into our container. Mmm, smells so good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's so gooey.
Ooh, so we're gonna stir that up.
Yeah, it feels like slime.
So I'm gonna go ahead and help her stir it up, and then the next segment will be us putting it into the bottle. Isn't that exciting, babe?
Yeah.
And then we will show Petrova washing her hands to see if it works. Okay, so we've got our old bottle, we've got a little funnel, and she's gonna try to do it very carefully.
I got it.
You sure?
Yes.
Yay, and it's going. Do it slow so it doesn't spill out. Okay, keep going. Yay, it's working. Whoa, keep going. We can still fill it up more. Good job, baby. Wow, I hope it all fits in there. It's going, it's coming out. It's not doing it as, it's kind of getting, oh yeah, it's coming out. We might have to stop it. Oh no, it's gonna be perfect for that size bottle. Wow. Perfect. Now we need to see if it actually suds up and washes your hands good.
Yeah.
That's gonna be our next segment. Do you think it's gonna work, Petrova?
Of course.
Okay, let's put the lid back on. Grab the lid from over there and put it on there. Screw it on there.
Yeah, this is actually grape, but now it's going to be peppermint.
It was grape, huh?
Yeah.
When we first bought it at the store.
Yeah, and guys, I really want to show you the one that's in the the downstairs.
Yeah, it's the same kind that this one was, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But this
so-
one's different.
Wow, we made our own soap, and we bought these. These were only a couple bucks for 12 of these dial bars.
Yeah.
And if you buy pink soap, the soap will be pink. If you buy blue soap, it'll be blue. So
Yeah,
yeah.
and guys, see, it's grape. I really want to show you.
We will. We'll go in there.
Okay.
So it was grape when we bought this. It was grape,
and dark.
and we're gonna show you in the bathroom if this soap works.
Yeah, and probably we should show them first.
Okay, let's go in the bathroom. This is the soap that she wanted to show you. This was grape soap.
And this is.
Yeah,
and
so this is
peppermint.
the empty one of it, but she wanted to show you this.
Yeah, it's a difference. Of course, this one's white, that one's purple.
See if it's gonna work good.
It pumped.
There you go. Yeah, keep doing that. It is, it's working. You made soap. Look at that. Look at how sudsy it is. Keep sudsing it. Wow, go between your fingers. OMG, how does it smell?
Delicious.
Wow, we never have to buy hand soap again.
Yeah, and guys, I have a trick.
So what do you think of it?
Good.
Okay, rinse it, and see if your hands feel all clean and get all the suds off. Wow. It works. There's a towel up there, baby. Wow, we made our own soap. Yay, it works.
Hold on, let me see if my hands.
Okay. How do they smell? Oh my goodness. Awesome. Yay. Did you have fun making it, Petrova?
Of course.
Yay. High five. Woo, you know how to make soap now. Woohoo. So wasn't that fun? We made our own soap. Woo.
Yes.
And even though that's not the scent that we made, we did make dial soap. So and she tested it out. It all sudsed up really good. So guys, in conclusion, if you just wanted to watch the ending of it and you want to know what we used, we just used dial soap, a bar of soap. We used glycerin right here. And we used hot water, and you don't have to use the peppermint, it's optional, but we wanted it to smell good, so we used some peppermint drops, and that's it. So yay, we did it, we're all done. That was so much fun, wasn't it?
Always wash your hand and soapy pie.
Yeah,
Goodbye
always
forever.
wash your hands, that's right. That one bar of soap made all of this right here. It's even more of a savings when you think about that we didn't use one whole bar for that bottle, and we use 16 ounces of water, 16.9 ounces of water. So yeah, this is much more cost effective to make your own soap because yeah, like I said, those 12 bars cost about $3 or so, And then the glycerin didn't hardly cost anything. And this is just a one-time deal, basically, for all those 12 bars of soap, because we only use 2 teaspoons of this. We use 2 tablespoons of the bar of soap, and we have a bunch more bottles to make with that 1 bar of soap. So awesome. So Petrova already went up to her room to go to bed. But yeah, I just think it's such a good deal that 1 bottle of soap was made with just 2 teaspoons of glycerin and 2 tablespoons of that 1 bar of soap. I still have all of this from that 1 bar of soap that she shredded up. So very cost effective. Yeah, definitely gonna keep doing this. And we saw how it sudsed up, and it was all sudsy and everything. And her hands felt clean, smelled clean, and I know they are clean. And so I let her take that bottle upstairs, and she made it. She gets to keep that bottle. And I told her next time we can buy blue soap or purple soap or pink soap. And yeah, so just in case you guys want to try this DIY project, it's super easy, super fun to make with your kids or make it by yourself. It's just, you know, if you want to save your family money. All right, guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. All right? Mwah. Besitos. Adios. Can you say, Glama, I love you?
Mama, higher.
Thank you.